Hi guys, got a laptop in today for repair. It is a Lenovo Ideapad S130. The customer has bought it in and he has said that it's got lines on across the screen, and as you can see it has got multiple lines. I mean, it's cracked in from there. Here you can see it's absolutely battered. So what we'll do now, we'll remove the bezel, remove the LCD, and I'll show you how to put a new one in. Dead easy. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is just power it down, remove the charger. Let's get the bezel off. So sometimes they're actually bonded down just there and around the sides. As far as I'm aware, these ones are not. They're just clipped in. So you know, you can use a little card. I've got one here. You can just get in there and just lift off. Once it's done that, you can slowly pop it off. And as you can see, that is coming off quite easily. And then you'll have 4 screws. So you'll have 1 here, 2, 3 and 4. You don't need to move these screws. They are for the hinges. As you can see, if you follow the metal plate, go around the side and connects to the hinge. It's all built in. So let's go ahead and remove the screws. It shouldn't take too long. Now, I have offered a customer a pre-owned screen to save a bit of cash, or if I haven't got a compatible one in stock, then we'll have to order a new one. So they said, look, we'll leave it to you and take it from there. So there you go, that's removed. What you need to do now is remove the connector there, and that's got a little gate on it. Lift it up, pull it away from you, and that has released the screen. So there you go. The model number of this screen is just there. It doesn't need to be exact, but if you're ordering a new one, make sure you order the correct one according to the model numbers and the version numbers. So I've got a pre-owned one here. We're going to have a go at this one. This is a Innolux screen. I mean, if you look at the 2 different numbers, they are completely different brand, but very similar. Now, this should work perfectly. I'll give it a go. Plug in the connector carefully. Make sure you don't damage the cable in any way. There you go. That's in. As you can see, that's all fitted. So before I actually screw the screen in, I'm actually going to test it out before screwing it in. So, okay, let's have a look. And once the Lenovo sign comes up, we will. Job done. I think that screen's perfect. Okay, it's got a few marks. I'll give it a good clean, and it should be good to go. So all I need to do now is put the screws on. We'll do that now, and we'll leave it powered up. The battery is low on this screen, on this computer. It has come up with an issue. Obviously, it's been restarted and started while the screen has been broken. So you have no idea what you're doing. File systems have been probably a little bit corrupt, and they just need to be sorted out by doing a restart. Hopefully that should cure any issues that it may have. I've got my motorised screwdriver today. It's on another desk. Couldn't bother to get up and get it. It doesn't take that long anyway. So yeah, as you can see, absolutely fine. So all I need to test is the brightness and so on. That's working fine as well. No issues there. So I'm happy to yeah, give the customer the good news that this machine is ready to go. So I'll put the bezel back on, and we'll just get the charger for now. So when you put the bezel on, make sure you put the bottom in first, and it's lined up with the other bezel there, which covers the cables. hear the clicks? Very satisfying sound actually. Once then you hear that sound, you know it's all pucker. It's perfect. My desk is moving, and just make sure you go across here. Do it gently, don't want too much pressure because you could crack the new screen. Once that's done, I'm actually going to plug it back in again, make sure there is no cracks. Mind you, you could probably have done it while the screen was on, but I chose not to on this occasion. There you go, that's fine. So I'm waiting for it to start up and switch it off. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.